from these snow-capped peaks to the depths of the Amazon jungle, one finds many more strange and exotic birds, like the anabe preto of Colombia and Venezuela. He carries his own bagpipes hidden under his beard. Then there's his cousin, the arapapa, pride of Paraguay, whose perfect appearance permits his pompous pride in his pompadour. And La Tijereta, the scissors bird. The Colombian cata. Then there's the arapasu, de pico curvo. He's always sticking his nose into things. Did you ever see such a freak beak? Huh? Speaking of beaks, what a time two toucans have making love. When they're beak to beak, they can't get cheek to cheek. Because when one toucan turns his head, only one toucan can.
Who's that?
Oh, 1,000 pardons. Senor Donald, I would like to have you meet one of the most eccentric birds you have ever seen. His name is the aracuan. You'll find him most everywhere. Now, he's called the aracuan because of the peculiar song he sings, which sounds something like this. By the way, amigo, did you know some birds are skilled craftsmen?
Is that so?
Yes, quite a builder is the little Mariquito. His nest may look haphazard in design, but every single stick and straw is scientifically placed to withstand the stress and strain of... Well, almost anything. Literally dotted are the shores of many tropical marshes with the brilliant plumage of the flamingo.